What's up, guys? Time is back with another Linsense video. And, they say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. So bear with me. Come on down with me to the C to the U to the B to the A. Good evening, my ugly people. It's your boy, T to the L to the I to the N. And right here today, on this motherfucking channel, we're going to be talking about another Aventus clone. I mean, how many motherfucking clones are there in this motherfucking fragrance world? I mean, you got Club de Nuit, you got Mont Blanc, Explorer, you got all of them, you got Afnan. But today we're talking about this motherfucker, this Nissan gold bottle looking piece of shit right here. Bear with me, you guys. This shit, I paid $9 fucking for this at Burlington. $9 fucking. And when people at the register see me grab this shit, they was like, man, what the fuck is this cheap ass guy doing buying some Nissan fragrance? But let me tell you something, motherfuckers. This shit right here smells just as good as Club de Nuit. But the only thing is, it doesn't perform. Smells just like Club de Nuit. It's got that nice, like, metallic smell to it, that bergamot and that pineapple and that blackberry shit. But the shit doesn't last. Look at this bottle. What kind of bullshit trick-or-treat costume is this? Look, they put the damn bottle in between this damn square thing. What kind of bullshit is this? Man, if you want your girl to lick your ass tonight, okay, she's gonna need a nice little salad dressing for that ass. And this one, you know what? You might spray it, but she's gonna taste all alcohol. You see, because you're gonna have to spray heavy with this bad boy. Now, if you just get Club de Nuit and spend an extra $20, you can spray that on your ass like 2 hours in advance, and then she can lick it after the night. And she's not going to taste no alcohol. She's going to taste that black currant, motherfuckers. You understand what I'm saying? Again, this Nissan is all right for $7. But you can do much better than that, okay? So this is definitely not asshole approved, okay? Again, not asshole approved, okay? This is a piece of shit. Look at this Nissan bottle. Look at this trick or treat. Put a costume over the bottle. This is a piece of shit. It smells like Aventus, but the shit only lasts for like 1 hour. So you're better off just paying the extra $15 and getting the Club de Nuit. All right there, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, my sexy motherfuckers. If you did, give it a like, 2 thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you motherfuckers next time, all right? Peace out.